burn off some of the extra weight on our tummy and on our hips.
Dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want to
get right started. If you're wondering how to move your hips when we're dancing, today we're going to focus on that. The first movement is hip settlement. So as I move my weight left to right, I'm actually settling my hip on the same side of my weight. Yes? So as you go on to your left, your left hip is also on that side. When you go on to your right hip, also settling on the same side. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. As you can see, you can also move around as you walk with your settlement of the hip. That's our first part of our hip movement. Second hip movement, we're going to go through our hip swings. So instead of just settling, I'm actually using my side quad to bring it up, as well as using my side core to lengthen it to bring it up. So I'm contracting one side of my core and lengthening the other side to keep my hip going into a pendulum motion to the right, left, left. Yes? When you're working on this move, make sure that your belly is not going out, and at the same time your tailbone's not supposed to be tilting back, but rather keep your tailbone down, facing down. Keep your upper body lengthened up so that you can have a very straight back and move your hip left to right. Yes? Let's do that one more time with our counts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Alright, moving on. Our third move are similar to our second move. As you can see, as we're going to our hip swings, I'm already bending both of my knees a little bit to keep more room for my hip to move. The third step, we're going to bend even more, and we're going to have a big pendulum motion from the left and going center, going into our quad and up to the right. Yes, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right. Other than our hip swings, we're also going to have our twist. So our hip is going to twist left to right. When you exercise this movement, you can first of all keep your upper body, my top facing forward, and start to twist your hip from the right to left, and again right to left. Keeping in mind that you're always trying to keep your tailbone low. So use your tailbone, point it down, and start twisting through your core, through your hip, and through your bottom. Yeah. So we're going to switch left and right. Now once you get used to it, we can actually settle our hip at the same time as you twist. So as my weight is on my left, I'm settling my left hip onto my standing leg. My other action leg, I can bring it up before I switch my weight. Yes, so one more time. So we go settle, switch, settle, switch, twist, switch, twist, switch. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You got that? Alright, let's move on. The last move that we're going to do is a 360 hip roll. It's a little bit hard to get this move first, but once you know the details and the technique, it's actually pretty simple. We already did our left and right. We're going to move on to the forward and back. As I control my hip forward, I'm actually thrusting my hip forward using my core. So I'm contracting my core to let my hip to go forward up. And then I'm going to use my upper back and the mid back to bring my hip backwards. So instead of tilting forward, my full body, I'm still controlling my upper body, keeping my core tight to bring it forward and use my back to bring my hip up. So it's going to be forward, back. We're going to link that together. So we go forward, left, back, right. Forward, left, back, right. And then going into a row. Yes? And we're going to do the other side, same idea. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, switching side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can get your hip row going. Alright, let's use the hip movements that we just learned and get into the dance movement that we're going to use for today's dance. And the first move is going to be our hip settlement side to side. Yes, we go 1, 2, then throw your arms, 3, 4, again, 5, 6, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you come forward, keep your arms straight, center up. Then as you throw your arm, put some energy and wing into the arm, into the air. Yes, one more time, we go 1, 2, punch it up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is our first move. Our second move, we're going to get into our hip roll, but just on one side. So I'm going to point my foot diagonal 45 degrees, and I'm going to roll my hip backward. So use your hip bone as your anchor point. Right now, you're supposed to be on your right hip, moving back. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as I roll my hip back, I'm rolling back a full 360 degrees with one hip. Yes, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With your arm. 1, and bring my hip up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is our second move. Third move, we're going to go down. Make sure that you're actually squatting down with a bigger stance. Try not to stand too small. Yes, so that you can actually work your quad and work your hip. Yes, let's do it together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving on to the second side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep on breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Alright, moving on to our third move. We had our hip pendulum motion and we had our hip side to side motion. The third one, if you remember, we're going to go for a slow one first. We're going to a hip twist to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me break it down. So we're going to have our weight on our left first, and our hip are setting to the left. My body, my hip are twisting to the left side. My left arm is going to go close to my side. Right arm extend out. So we go single, 1, 2, single, switching side, and double, double. Yes, the timing goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, and single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. As you move your arm, you want to squeeze your side as you bring your arm in and lengthen the second arm out through downward to the side. Yes, and keep some energy shooting out through your fingertips as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. I'm already starting to sweat. Hope you're doing that too. The next move, we're gonna get to our hip 360 rolls. Yes, footwork wise, we're gonna use one foot as our center point and rotation. You don't have to use your arm first. You can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? So we're going to go up and down, and up and down, while we're maintaining our counterclockwise hip roll. Then we'll do our clockwise. So I'm turning clockwise, and my hip roll are going clockwise as well. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Later on, you can use your arm, which is what I'm going to use during the song with our demo. Let's put on some music and try that together.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Chula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe. Big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certify, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change. Beat it up like pinata. Tell the top to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous.
Chambean, chambean, pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jolambo, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank, el Latino gang. Yeah, está toda servieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa. Ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza, yeah. Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido amar, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
I'm in district in the chain. Certify, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change. Beat it up like pinata. Tell the top to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar. Tú que va medio y se fue de pecho como Jimmy Luca. Te vamos a tumbar la peluca y arranca pa'l carajo, cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Mi tía y Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada. Para, sí, like I'm Lady Gaga. Y no te me hagas, que en cover de Billboard tú has visto mi cara. No salgo de tu mente, donde quiera que hayas escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el Testarossa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Cosa es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza. I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.